This is the iTorus 1. It is 1.618 inches in diameter across, the smallest PEMF device I've ever seen. It has an audio port. This audio port connects to the spiraled super loop copper around this torus. And when you play specific frequencies through this and wear it as a pendant, you can hide it under your shirt, wear it like Clark Kent, and be covert and be projecting a 3-foot magnetic bubble around you by activating it with frequencies like the chakra frequencies in the iTorus app. So this little device packs a punch, and it also has capabilities for using as targeted therapy. I've seen people put this on injuries, and I would say miracles happen, but the guy told me that he had not been able to lift his shoulder up for so many years, and after using this on his injury, he all of a sudden had so much better range of motion. And you'll find that testimony in our testimony bank. So this can actually be used as targeted therapy too, as well as EMF protection. So you play the right frequency, we have the EMF protection frequencies in the iTorus app, and you can walk around with a 3-foot magnetic bubble. So that's 3-foot diameter in every direction. So that's about big enough to cover most people's torso. The iTorus 1 was requested after we came out with the i2. The i2 was a little bit too bulky for people to wear, so we came out with a smaller device that's more wearable. It's very lightweight, and it comes in 8 different flavors or spectrums of crystals. We can actually customize it to your desire as well. All right, the iTorus 2 and the 1 both come with a case. I'm going to go over those contents here in just a minute, show you how to connect it, and show you how to use it. So stay tuned for that next video. Don't forget to like this and subscribe, and watch any of the other like-minded videos down below if you want. All right, thank you for watching.